Best cordless, power, precision, and portability for every project. As mechanical keyboards gain traction among gamers and typists, so does the demand for cordless drills among DIYers, homeowners, and professionals. The appeal lies in portability, runtime, torque control, and versatility, making these tools essential for everything from furniture assembly to renovation work. List number: Dewalt 20V Max Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit, DCK240C2. The Dewalt DCK240C2 Combo Kit is a powerhouse for both professionals and serious DIYers. Featuring a 20V Max lithium-ion drill, driver, and impact driver, this kit is built to tackle tough materials with ease. The impact driver delivers high torque for driving screws or bolts, while the drill driver handles all your standard drilling needs. With 2 batteries and a charger included, you're never left waiting for a charge. Compact and lightweight, these tools are perfect for tight spaces without sacrificing power. List no Fanttik K2 Ultra 7.4V Cordless Drill Driver. If you want a compact yet capable drill for home tasks, the Fanttik K2 Ultra is a fantastic choice. With a 7.4V motor, 30 Nm of torque, and tap switch gear change, it's ideal for light to moderate work, like assembling furniture or drilling into drywall and wood. The 3/8 keyless chuck allows quick bit changes, and its small size is perfect for working in tight corners, weighing less than many traditional models. List number: Dewalt 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver Kit, DCD771C2. The Dewalt DCD771C2 offers the perfect balance of power and portability. Equipped with a high-performance motor, it delivers 300 unit watts out (UWO) to handle a variety of tasks, from woodwork to light masonry. It also features a 1/2-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck that provides strong bit grip. This kit includes 2 20-volt max lithium-ion batteries and a charger, so you can work continuously without interruptions. Its compact, ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold, and the 2-speed transmission adds versatility for various materials. List number: Dewalt 20V Max Cordless Drill Driver with XR 2.0 Ah battery. This upgraded Dewalt 20V Max Drill Driver brings an edge with its XR 2.0 Ah battery, providing longer runtime and better performance under load. The 2-speed transmission, 0 to 550 and 0 to 2000 RPM, and 1/2-inch chuck make it ideal for both drilling and fastening jobs. Its brushless motor extends tool life and increases efficiency, especially useful in professional environments. The battery charges fast and holds a charge well. List 5. Fanttik 20V Cordless Drill Set. The Fanttik Cordless Drill Set offers exceptional value for casual users. It features a 20V motor, 30 N torque, and 21+1 torque settings, making it great for various tasks like installing shelves, assembling furniture, or minor repairs. Its 3/8-inch keyless chuck and forward-reverse switch simplify operation, while the lightweight design ensures comfort during longer tasks. The included battery and charger make this a ready-to-use package, while it may not suit heavy-duty construction.